me do this. All right, so Joan came up with this great idea with the cat came back. We've got these four chords, A minor, G, F, and E7, to just improvise over them. And she was using on the A string the C note, D, E, G, A, C, and maybe some others. That's the pentatonic scale on the A string. We've also got the pentatonic scale in the first three frets, which is C, A, G, E, D, C. Try those notes. So what I'm going to do is comp for you, and I'm just going to do a verse and a chorus. I'll sing a little bit so we know where we're at. We will not do any pauses or tremolos. We're going to go straight through. So one, here's our tempo. Doing it. I'm going to slow it down to 80. And you guys have a ball. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Mr. Johnson had troubles of his own. He had a yellow cat that wouldn't leave his home. He tried and tried to keep the cat away. He gave it to a man going far, far away. But the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. We thought it was a goner. The cat came back. It just couldn't stay away, away, away. I'm gonna do all that one more time.